Y'all.
Say good morning.
Good
How are
morning.
you?
Good.
That's good. Anything exciting happening this week?
What is that? No, not really.
No? I'd like to what is one thing that you are grateful for today?
Thank you. Did you get to see your friends yesterday?
I got to see my friends yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Are you having a play date today? Say it.
Yeah.
Say it.
I'm having a play date today.
Okay. Very good. It's always good to see friends and share together. I don't know about you, but I love music. Um, do you play any instruments or sing?
Charlotte likes to listen to music and dance, right, SJ? You guys like to dance to music?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What music do you like to dance to or listen to?
Pop music.
Okay.
I just gotta answer the questions.
Well, you know that David, the one we heard about today in the video, there's a joy that he shared music. And when he wrote some of the Psalms, with that, David kind of wrote his own modern day music for that time through the Psalms. I know you've probably not thought of that before that way. But I think that he used a lot of the Psalms to share joy. So how do you share joy?
How do you share joy, Charlotte? How do you make your friends happy?
Sharing,
Sharing toys, taking turns.
taking turns.
Mm-hmm.
What about you, SJ? You like to share your toys with your friends?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So I know when I was your age, I liked going to the nursing homes and singing and doing ministry there. Um, I think that there's many ways to share joy. Maybe Charlotte, you see a way through your sports games to say to someone, I hope you're having a good day, or at the end when you say good game to people. Do you still do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So I didn't think it changed too much, but I think that that's a way to share joy because we encourage people, we build them up, and that's what a lot of the Psalms do. So in worship, we can make great praise to God and share joy too. And David made a joyful noise and praised God in his own way. So I'd like you to think about ways to find joy and share joy, whether it's saying good game, whether it's saying good morning, or I hope you have a good day, or if you ride the bus in the morning to say to the bus driver, how's your week, or um, hopefully you are doing well, or something like that. So share joy and use gifts through music and other gifts. So I'd like to pray with you. Let's pray together today. Dear God,
Dear God,
Dear God,
I thank you for praise.
I
I
thank
thank
you
you
for
for
praise.
praise.
I thank you for joy.
Thank you for joy.
Even when we are sad and down,
Even when we are sad or down,
you raise us up.
you raise us up.
Be with us today and every day.
Be with us today and every day.
Amen.
Amen.
All right.
I
Thank you.
was sleeping the whole time.
You're being silly the whole time, buddy.
Always a joy to be in community with all of God's children and all of God's people.